In this video, I will show you how to download and install TiviMate on your Xiaomi TV stick. Now over here, I have my Xiaomi TV stick Lite currently connected to my TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Xiaomi TV stick you have or whether you're using a Xiaomi TV box with even a Google TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to download and install the TiviMate IPTV player on your Xiaomi TV stick or even your Xiaomi TV box with Google TV. And to do this, basically, you want to make sure that your Xiaomi TV stick is currently connected to your Wi-Fi network or hotspot network. And one thing you have to note is that the TiviMate IPTV player is already on the Google Play Store of your Xiaomi TV stick. So there is basically no need for you to start sideloading it into your Xiaomi TV stick or your Xiaomi TV box. So you want to go ahead and look for the App Store or Google Play Store of your Xiaomi TV stick. Just come over to this app section on your device. And then you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. You can literally find mine over here. If you're using the Xiaomi TV stick or Xiaomi TV box with Google TV and you're not able to find the Google Play Store app just as it is over here on my Xiaomi TV stick, you can simply just use the voice command on your remote control to ask the device to open up the Google Play Store, which automatically opens up Google Play Store on the device. But if you're able to find the Google Play Store, go ahead and open it up on your Xiaomi TV stick. And once the Google Play Store opens, you want to scroll over to this search icon at the top of the TV. Come over here, then come over to this input field and then search for TiviMate. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the TiviMate IPTV player app suggestion over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it directly from here. Then click on the install button. Now give the Xiaomi TV stick some few seconds to now download and install the TiviMate IPTV player into your device. And now that the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And just like so, we now have the TiviMate IPTV player app running smoothly on our Xiaomi TV stick. Now you can go ahead and add your playlist by just clicking on the add playlist option and start enjoying your content from the TiviMate IPTV player app on your Xiaomi TV stick. Also, if you come over to the home of your Xiaomi TV stick now, you can literally see that the TiviMate IPTV player app has now been added to the list of apps on our device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.